Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Petal, a unique mid-century modern style that Sealoom introduced when mid-century was modern. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Petal 2x2 ceiling tiles are made from our Featherlight Series 13 thousandths thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more adaptable than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, is not only stylish, but it makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. These tiles bring innovative, exquisite design to any ceiling. And with 12 distinctive colors and finishes, there are endless design possibilities. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. The clean lines of our Century tiles are the perfect match. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.